I'm having the holes filled as well, so that in case it rains again, we won't have waterlogging. So it's this. For now, I had filled my foliar, fungicide, insecticide, 20 milligrams per every 20 liter. So let the spraying begin. If this is the first time you are watching my video, visiting my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button below and click the bell button to turn on the notification. Spraying exercise from end to end of the shamba has been done. Now is spray it again after 2 weeks. Everything has been sprayed. It just felt like I was washing the leaves and washing all the dust, but washing with fungicide, insecticide and some foliar. Hopefully the crops will shika vizuri, meaning that it will get hold nicely and get back some health in it. It's a big place, that's a lot of trees. I can see one of the homeboys has come, filling in the holes, trying to ensure that majority of this soil goes back into hole that had been dug, so that we don't get any more waterlogging. It hasn't rained in the week, and you can see there's still water on the soil underneath. Unfortunately for the purpose, they didn't survive, which is a tragic thing. At least I know that I will get to plant them again, but I have a few which I will still put in a few holes. But so far everything is coming up well, thank God. I'm grateful. But so far so good.